I received this 25 pack of fire colorant from Magical Flames, and they are awesome. It's a 25 pack, however, I have been using some of them, and it is so pretty. This is the pouch that it comes in. You get 25 of them. They recommend for you not to open it and also not to burn any food. You know, if you're gonna have some s'mores or hot dogs, do it beforehand, not after. But this is just a finale. It is so beautiful, and you just toss 1 or 2 in, and hear that? It burns and it just becomes a magical show. Everybody at your campsite is gonna be envious, and your friends are gonna love it at your backyard fire pit. So you are just gonna love it, and let's show you what it looks like. And now let's put a couple of magical flames in. Aren't these awesome? And they recommend for you just to toss 1 or 2 and then just add to it. It lasts about an hour for each one. So definitely recommend this. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.